What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the overhead grab handle, also known as the O handle. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. To remove this handle, just slide this down. I'm going to use a curved pick. Get in from the top, and you're going to release this cover. Flip it down, do the same on this one. Now I can access the bolts. I'm going to use an 8mm socket, extension, and a ratchet. Alright, then I can take those bolts out. Once those are out, I can just grab the handle and pull towards the inside of the car. Just like that. There's some retainers that hold it in. Just like that. And there it is. Then I can remove the other ones just like this one. So this handle, this side is spring-loaded, whereas this side is not. This side just moves. So what you can do is with this side, just open that. With this side, flip this little cover down, and then it'll stay like that. And then it's easier to install this. And just slide this in position. Push it up like that. And you're gonna take the bolts and an 8mm socket and an extension. I can get this started, and then I can get the other one started. Just snug it. Same with this one. Then I can just take a pick, get underneath the cover, flip it back, lock it in place. The same with this one. Lock it in place. I can do the same with the other one.
Thanks for watching. If you want the parts to do it yourself, check out 1aauto.com, the place for DIY auto repair.